There's more things for you guys to see. Wow, check out this dragon. And the hands holding gold. So I'm here at one of the biggest gold shop here in Bali that sell gold, silver, and everything is 18 karat. They don't have higher, they don't have lower. It's a nice place if you're interested in gold, silver, as you can see. Yeah, but everything around here, this is silver. But yeah, if you want to know this place, continue watching this video. We have just left the active volcano mountain, Manbatur. We went there to have lunch and now we're on our way home. But before we get home, we're gonna check out this mega gold store. See, I can tell you it's beautiful. I'm just gonna have a quick look inside of this building and then we'll continue. I'm gonna get up?
Yep.
Okay.
You wanna go inside or not?
Yeah, we're gonna go inside have a look. Where's the entry? That way?
Yeah.
Okay. So I haven't been inside of this building. I'm just about to go inside and check it out. Also, this is the biggest gold building here in Bali. So they sell a lot of gold and jewelry. So let's find out. Ooh. Wow, this place is huge. But please continue watching until the end of this video because I have a surprise place for you guys to show you. It's the same place that I showed you guys in the beginning. I'm going to show you right at the end. It's like a museum of gold, but definitely wait so you can see it yourself. This shop here is the biggest gold shop in Bali. It's amazing. If you are in Bali and you're looking for a gold, diamond or silver for your wife or husband, definitely come and check out this place. It's an amazing place. I'm gonna put the name, location on the description or on the screen. And if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't know, he said gold and silver. I don't know, maybe on the other side. Oh yeah. Okay, we can just use that. Yeah, this place is so... Yeah, I think the other side says gold, maybe this side is silver, the wall says gold. Or maybe that, oh no, it's going up. It looks like there's another level here. Gold, diamond, second floor. Gold and diamond, second floor. Maybe I need to upgrade my gold. What do you reckon? Bye. Nana, yours is going down. Let's go. So gold and silver, even the air is telling you. Wow. Both of them are coming up. It says gold is this side. I don't think we are that rich to get any gold. I'm not that rich. Hello. I'm happy with the gold I have. That's all the gold I have on my neck. And ask how many carats are the gold? 18? I think it's, how many carats are your gold? 18, all the gold 18 carat, yeah? That's the highest, right? Excuse me, are they all 18? Is there any lower carat or just 18?
Yes.
Just 18, no higher, no lower. Mine is 18. Ask me. So, this lady just said, the staff member who works here, she said all of the gold here is 18 carat. They don't have higher, they don't have lower, just 18 carats. Okay. So yeah, this is the biggest gold shop here in Bali. So I'm gonna go and ask one of the staff members to tell you the name of this place. Just if you want to get gold or even silver, you can come to this place and ask them, and that will tell you the name of this. And yeah, I don't know what I was saying. Thought about me, but so yeah, I'm gonna go and ask. The one over there, she looks busy. Need to go to another place. Okay. Need to go ask someone else. But yeah, it's a very pretty place. That's a nice picture on the wall. Yeah. So yeah, everything here is real gold. The gold might not be too high, but it's a decent quality, I guess, if you're interested in gold. Wow, what a statue! Wow, what a statue! Oh, I'm not sure how many level this is or where this is or whatever. I don't know. It's nice though, but yeah, I don't even know the name of this place. I have to ask one of these people who work here. It says opal. Wow. Different kind of opal. So yeah, gold, opal. They have a lot of cross as well. Very nice. So, excuse me, brother. What's the name of this place? What's the name of this place? Okay, that's okay. Don't worry about it. It's okay. All good. That's all good. He doesn't even know the name of this place. Probably doesn't even know what I said. That's all right. I'll ask someone else. Excuse me. What is the name of this place? Ah, UC Silver. Okay, it's on your uniform. No problem. Thank you. It's UC Silver. It's on the uniform. Maybe I'm the crazy one. I should have just looked at his uniform. I was asking him the name of the place and it's written on his uniform, but also looking at his uniform. So, yeah, it's written on his uniform. Yeah, UC Silver. But yeah, so that's the place. There you have it. Leaving now. I hope you've enjoyed it.
We were just about to leave this place and go home, but this guy told us to follow him. We don't know where he's taking us, but let's just find out.
What's in there? Museum. Oh, what? Oh, free to have a look? Just about to leave and he brought us to this museum. Okay. Wow. Nagasanga. Okay, museum. Wow. Nice. I didn't even know there was a museum in here. But yeah, it's called UC Gold, but we're just leaving actually, and well, there's more things for you guys to see. Wow, check out this dragon. And the hands holding gold. Wow. But they need to keep the door open. So very nice. Wow. Look at that. at that long dragon behind me. Look at all these statues. Check all this. Look at all this gold. Or purple or whatever it is. What the hell? Look at this ring. Like the size of. Wow. Very nice. Yeah, no, very beautiful place. I thought they only had the gold shop, but we're just about to leave and the guy said, come and check out the museum next door, and this is the museum. Look at what they have. Okay, it says, do not touch. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have touched the last one, but there was no sign over there. What the hell? Look at the size of this. Wow. Look at all these precious stones. Wow, check this out. Sorry, the cross people taking photos, don't want to disturb them. Very nice museum. Well, now I'm gonna tell you that I'm gonna end this video because I was about to end it before, but I had to continue. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. So this place, it's called UC Gold and Silver. It's in Bali, not far from the main tourist attraction. It's a very beautiful place. Definitely come and check it out. But for now, peace out.